I was at the Hot Wheels Legends store in Fenner's Park, and I'm watching these Nissan Skyline breathe, and I hear this Mustang make all this noise. I kind of ignore it, but then the sound just keeps on going. It gets the attention of some of the other people at the show here, and I decided just to walk over there and give me a pic and get it on video. So I'll just walk over there, and I just pull out my mirrorless out, give me a pic. Put the camera down, and I got about 2 seconds before somebody walks in my shot. There's that shadow right there. And then this guy in the white shirt here is the Mustang. You see the Mustang's leaving. That's like, hey, can you hear it one more time? The guy says, okay, and begins to record some more. And look to your left, you see the other people with their phones out, also recording the exact same thing that I'm seeing, just from a different angle.